Hello, welcome back. My name is Kabgo Peter. As usual, this channel will always learn Luganda from this place. I'm always happy in Sanyukanyo wherever I find comments, wherever I found more views, people subscribing on my channel to learn Luganda, to learn history of Luganda, how Buganda came into existence and how they do their things, how to speak Luganda, how to write and read Luganda. My name, I'm called Kabgo Peter. I'm sponsored by Katani Home and Interiors UG, located at Namlanda and Road. You can visit them or you can find their contact on the number scrolling down there, and you reach them out and you talk to them, and they give you something like bed covers, duvet, doormats, etc. In today's video, I'm trying to reply to someone called Opio Sam from northern Uganda. He sent me a message on WhatsApp seeking for the help on how to speak Luganda, how to translate some words in Luganda from English. So he wrote to me many things, and today I decided to select some words and make this video specifically trying to reply him and again help other people, because he told me to answer him via WhatsApp, what I did. But again, into my head, I was like, let me try to even to help other people to make a video where they can watch it and learn many things. My name is Kabgo Peter. Welcome to the channel. Today's video, Opio Sam sent me many questions. I'm going to be reading them out and then I translate them to you and explain them to you, okay? So for example, I wrote them down. He had questions like, where is the owner of that phone? Where is the owner of that phone? In Luganda we say, nanyini simu eyo ali ludda wa. Nanyini simu eyo ali ludda wa. Now, why do we say eyo? Eyo, it is that in Luganda. When we say that, it means that thing is a bit distance from the person who is talking. Okay? When we say this, it means it is too close. And this, when you're talking about the phone, we say no. When it is far from you, we say yo, showing another person. Okay? So, where is the owner of that phone? Nanyini simu eyo aliwa. When you have the phone, you are like, oh, your phone is too close to you. You say, where is the owner of this phone? Nanyini simu eno aliruddawa or aliwa. They are the same. Aliruddawa and aliwa. They are the same. So I think now you can put them into Luganda easily. And another question was, if he comes, tell him I want to talk with him. If he comes, tell him I want to talk with him. Bw'akomawo mugambe njagala kwogera naye. Bw'akomawo mugambe njagala kwogera naye. No matter whether it is she or he. But in Luganda, we say bw'akomawo because that word, it is taking two kind of sex, both male and female. Bw'akomawo, it is in general. You know, we're not differentiating whether it's a man or a woman, but you say bw'akomawo, that owner of that person. I mean that phone. Bw'akomawo mugambe njagala kwogera naye. I want to talk with him. Another thing was, don't overcharge me. Here comes a scenario. For example, you have gone to buy something and you would like to get a discount, and you have a feeling that that person who is selling the thing is overcharging the thing, is putting high price, or is high price over the thing. For example, you've gone to buy a trouser, and in your mind you expecting that trouser to be at least 25, and the guy is saying 35, for instance, and you'd like to talk to him and say, don't overcharge me, like you're bargaining, but in a polite way. You say, don't say that, don't overcharge me, please. Don't say that, Bambi. When you add that word please, it's like you're pleading, you're polite, you're down to earth. Let's take a look at another question. But I'm trying to simplify the things. I'm trying to break them down so that you can get the value of watching this video. I'm not just making a video because I need views, okay? I need to make a video which can help you out and you learn more. And actually, if you have any question, you can put them down in the comment section, or you can contact me and we talk, and I can even do this to you, or I can reply you instantly. Okay, my number is 772. Oh, let me give you a sub number: 706 571794. Let's go to another question. What is the problem? What is the problem? In Luganda we say buzibuchi. Buzibuchi. You know, like someone is, your baby is crying. You'd like to know why he or she is crying. What is the problem? Buzibuchi. What is the problem? Why are you crying? Buzibuchi lwachi okaba. Buzibuchi lwachi okaba. What is the problem? Why are you crying? Why are you crying? Okay. Another one. Me and you, we've come from far. Me and you, we've come from far. Nze nawe tuvudde wala. Far, it is wala, far away. Far, wala. Me, it is nze. Nze, I, it is me. Nze. You, gwe. You know, for example, you standing beside your sister, your brother, your lover one. It is me and you. Nze nawe tuvudde wala. We've come from very far. Okay? Nze nawe tuvudde wala. Another one. The good thing is we are best friends. The good thing is we are best friends. Ekintu ekirungi tuli ba mikwano. Ekintu ekirungi okay, kase ekirungi tuli ba mikwano. Okay? Ekirungi tuli ba mikwano. And another one, and the last one, come and we go. Come and we go. Jangu tugende. Simple. Come and we go. Jangu tugende. Jangu tugende. Come and we go. My name is Kabuga Peter. Thank you for watching Learn Luganda. And Learn Luganda, it is Yiga Luganda.